New project at Lake County Euros. This project is a 2008 Audi RS4. It is a very rare vehicle that was, I believe, the first time an RS model came to the United States in 2008. Sales were not as good as what Audi was expecting, and that's why they pulled the whole project. So these are a very limited number of vehicles. This one specifically, it is a black pearl metallic, so it is actually the same exact color as my Q7, which is super weird. It has the Audi exclusive and half red, half black interior. It used to belong to a really good friend of mine, so we will reveal that a little later in the series. But it means a lot to me because I'm able to bring this car back to where it was, where it should be, where it is. It's an iconic Audi vehicle. It is a great platform. It's a marvelous engine. It's a giant piece of crap sometimes, but if you take care of it, it is awesome. So that's why I'm bringing this car back. This car means a lot to me because I did have a Dolphin Gray S4 that when my first child was born, I sold so my wife could have a new vehicle. So this is the replacement for my S4. And if you guys follow the channel, you know that I have recently just sold my 911. So this is a fantastic replacement for my 911. Thankfully, Justin was able to pull the motor out over the weekend, so thank you, Justin, for that one. Now that it's on the table, you know, it's hitting a little harder than I thought it was going to hit because there is a lot of things wrong with it. See what happens when you let a incorrect shop work on a motor that should be worked at an Audi shop. So starting from the top, we have oil puking from the valve covers, just siliconator. Everything has silicone on this thing that shouldn't have silicone. It took out the torque mount in the front, so all the coolant hoses were just kind of flopping around. The alternator is covered in oil and coolant, so we're gonna have to tear this apart and actually open it up and clean it because I'm not buying a $2,000 alternator. So back in the day, is you would take these apart, open them up, rebuild them, and put it back in. So that's what we're gonna do. Oil's dripping onto the AC compressor, oil's dripping on the thermostat, oil is dripping on the exhaust. Look at it, look, this is crap. Like, what? Who does this? The motor mounts are collapsed. The axles are completely broken. Transmission mount is in like 16 pieces. You can actually pick up the transmission off of the mount. This is how this axle came out. So that's going to need a new axle. Oh, there's more stuff that just fell out over there. My initial plans with this car was going to do like a level 3 or level 4 restoration. How bad this motor is and how awesome this car could be, I think we're gonna do a level 1 restoration. I'm not gonna say brand new everything, but as much new as I can. This car is a 2008, so finding brand new parts might be a little bit of a task to find these parts. Thankfully, I have a whole nother vehicle that is a donor vehicle that we can steal a lot of parts from, but the donor vehicle is a 4-cylinder, not an 8-cylinder. But stay tuned, and right now we're going to be giving this to Megan. Sorry, Megan. I want her to detail this whole motor or kind of just degrease it all, and we'll really see how bad this thing is. Stay tuned.
Yeah, so before and after, let's see how good this is gonna be. That's just crazy. Let me get you some plugs. Get this stuff.
And who did your fucking timing covers? Holy crap!
Stevie Wonder worked on this car. That's who fucking worked on this car.
Yeah, wow.
Yeah, so I'm already making the mental list. Bro, it's crazy.
Okay, I got red valve covers, so we're good.
Now it's actually silver again. Thanks, Megan. I was talking to Josh about what do you think about getting polish or ceramic coated in the like
jet hot coated.
Jet hot coated, be red like that.
That would be badass.
Yeah, I think we're gonna do that. That's cool. And we'll get some purple axles.
You could do red and purple.
Pink control arms.
What? One color.
Yellow lug nuts.
Stop it.
This looks really good. Yeah, I'd say let's just leave it out, let it air dry.